Okay, so I'm here to demonstrate how to install the expansion back hand strap on the Zebra ET4X 10-inch device. So first we start by taking the hand strap and attaching it to the expansion back plastic part. Make sure that your Velcro is facing down when you start this, and you feed through here. Usually going at an angle helps, especially with this loop here. Help push that down while also pulling through here. Pull the strap all the way through until you get to the stitch line. And do the same for this loop. Okay, pull the strap all the way through and loop the Velcro back over. Okay, now we're going to start to install the expansion back onto the device. Start with these 3 clips right here, go at an angle, and make sure that this is parallel here with the device. Note that it lines up correctly. Now when installing, make sure to firmly clip with both fingers, push down. Move all the way around the device. Now know that, and make sure that when it's installed, that you don't have any raised edges here. We want it all flat all the way down. This means that one of the clips is not engaged. So you'll know that your hand strap is installed correctly if everything is flat and parallel. And there you have it installed.